iPhone 11 is selling like crazy in India and it is in huge demand. And guys, if you talk about the global market, then the iPhone 11 is the best selling smartphone in Q1 and Q2 of 2020. And guys, millions of people are still planning to buy a brand new iPhone 11. So guys, with the help of this video, I'm going to be providing you the top 5 reasons to buy the iPhone 11 in 2020. And before getting started with the topic, there is a sincere request that everybody watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So the top 5th reason to buy the iPhone 11 is the build quality. Well guys, everybody has to admit that every single Apple product feels way more premium, and guys, there is no exception with the iPhone 11 because you're talking about a complete metal and glass design. Well guys, the entire frame is made up of aluminium and the entire back panel is made up of glass. Well guys, Apple proclaims that this particular glass is the toughest glass on the planet, but at the end of the day, if you break it from a certain angle, then the glass can even shatter. So take your primary precautions to use this iPhone very carefully. And guys, overall, the stainless steel frames kind of gives a way more premium feel, but there is no problem with the aluminium frame. Well guys, if you have ever used an iPhone 5s, the iPhone 6, 6s or the iPhone 7, then you know that aluminium frame is not at all a bad option. And guys, the overall design is pretty much polished. Well guys, Apple advertises the iPhone 11 as the entry level iPhone, but we all know that the price tag of this iPhone is too much. But considering the price tag, you're definitely getting a great build quality. So now let me come to the top 4th reason to buy the iPhone 11. And guys, the top 4th reason is the battery life. Well guys, we all know that iPhones are not in general great in terms of the battery backup, but guys, from the iPhone XR and iPhone 11 onwards, Apple has improved a lot behind the battery life. And guys, the iPhone 11 is such a smartphone that I can recommend a all-day battery life. So guys, if you are an intense gamer or if you consume lot of media, then this iPhone will be the clever choice. Well guys, first of all, there is no OLED display, so the power consumption for the display is very limited, and on the other hand, you're only talking about a 60 Hz display, so the overall battery backup is very impressive. Well guys, if you're a light user, then this smartphone will give you a great battery backup of around 1 day or even 2 days. And guys, if you're an intense gamer, then you can get around 5 hours of screen on time with the help of this iPhone. And guys, if you don't want to pay the high price tag for the iPhone 11, then you can go for the iPhone XR, but overall the additional price for the 11 is way more worth it. And guys, the top 3rd feature is the processing power. Well guys, you all have to admit that Apple's A13 Bionic chip is one of the fastest chipset out there. And guys, if your main priority is gaming, or if you like to record high resolution videos, if you like to edit the videos on your iPhone, then the iPhone 11 is a clever choice. Well guys, Apple's A13 Bionic chip is literally as better as Snapdragon 865. So in terms of the performance, this smartphone is a beast. So now let me come to the top 2nd reason to buy the iPhone 11. And guys, this particular reason has to be one of the most underrated features of all of the iPhones, and that has to be the software updates. Well guys, take example of any smartphone, maximum take example of the Google Pixel smartphones. They provide you 2 years of guaranteed software support, but everybody take this for granted that iPhones offer you 5 years of software support. Well guys, the 2015's iPhone 6s is still currently supporting the latest iOS 14. So guys, the iPhone 11 with Apple's A13 Bionic chip will easily support the iOS 17 or even iOS 18. So in terms of the software update, it is a very big advantage because guys, for a course of 5 years, this iPhone will feel very smooth, and also every single year new and cool features will get added. And guys, this is a particular aspect which I feel is very much underrated. Like people literally take this for granted that their phones provide them a 5 years of software support. And guys, this particular thing is so special that I want to give credits to Apple to support such a old devices. And guys, overall, now let me come to my final and the top number one feature that makes the iPhone 11 a great package. And this feature or this particular reason is the cameras. Well guys, with this smartphone you're talking about a dual camera setup from which the main camera is of 12 megapixels and the second camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And guys, overall, let me be 100% clear that the videos coming from this iPhone are best in the industry. And guys, not just that, the photos that this phone takes are also flagship level. With the iPhone 11 lineup, Apple has taken the camera game to the next level. Well guys, every year we know that iPhone's camera is always in the top 3 best camera smartphones available. But guys, take example, with the 2019 iPhone lineup, Apple is back to the number 1 position. Well guys, before the iPhone 11 lineup, the Google Pixel lineup was the camera champion. And guys, still today also, the Google Pixel 4 lineup or the Google Pixel 4a is pretty good in terms of the photos. Well guys, if your main priority is regarding photos and if you want decently good videos, then the Google Pixel is the alternative. And on the other hand, if you want great quality for videos and a good and decent quality photos and overall a very simple and optimized interface, then the iPhone 11 is a clear winner. Well guys, if you want to discriminate between the Google Pixel or the iPhone, then you're talking about Android versus iOS. And guys, both of the smartphones are pretty much optimized, and literally any smartphone that you will buy in 2020 is pretty good in terms of the camera, pretty good in terms of the battery, and overall you will be pretty much satisfied. But guys, with the iPhone 11 you are getting a very unique edge. Well guys, you are talking about a great battery capacity, so any gamer can have a good advantage. You are talking about Apple's A13 Bionic chip, which will be very buttery smooth for at least more 4 to 5 years. You're talking about 5 years of software support and overall a premium design. Well guys, many people will still tell that the iPhone 11 is having an LCD display, but after some time you will easily get used to it. So guys, my overall conclusion in this video is that the iPhone 11 is a great phone to buy in 2020. In fact, the iPhone 11 is my number 1 recommendation to first time iPhone buyer. So guys, I hope that this video was little bit helpful, and guys, if you are new to my channel, then definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.